there was a study that came out, you posted it on your website or on your Facebook page, about depression having some sort of tie to DNA.
Right.
And it also not being a one-size-fits-all as far as pills go. The thing that amazes me about depression medicine or anxiety medicine is that you take it, and now there are like 5 ancillary drugs that you take because the first one's not working. So they have the commercials that say, well, if your original drug isn't working, keep taking that, but let's add another one to it because the first one's not working. So how does that all, I'm amazed at those, because you're already paying for it, you're already feeling bad, and then you feel worse because your drug isn't working. So let's create a new one so that your first drug works. And if that doesn't work, well, God, I don't know what's going to happen. They're probably going to create a tertiary one.
Right. So folks, let's do this in our heads, or write it down, or I'm going to say this and you could do it right after this show's over with. You draw you in the center. Let's let you be the center of the wheel. That's you. And off, make a wheel for nutrition, make a wheel for hormones, make a wheel for the intestinal tract, make a wheel for your current situation, and make a wheel for your peer group. All of those things impact depression, impact our mood. The psychiatric community gives us labels like depression and bipolar disorder, and it's followed by a drug. All right, you may need something to get you through the rough time, but in reality, your thyroid controls your mood. Your intestinal tract has neurotransmitters. Low testosterone in men can affect their behavior. Low progesterone in women can affect their behavior. I just said progesterone binds to the same receptor sites as Prozac and Xanax in women. For men with low testosterone, testosterone is needed to make dopamine levels, our feel-good chemicals. So when you say somebody is depressed or somebody's going through depression, remember, folks, it's multifactorial. Ask your doctor to do the lab work. A lot of doctors just treat the lab work and they say, oh, you're within range, and then they don't treat the patient. So you've got to stick to your guns, ask the tough questions, think about your intestinal tract being the second brain if you're going through a rough time. Your gut may be out of balance, okay? And then if you're going through a divorce, if you lost somebody in your family, you lost your job, depression is expected. Surround yourself with good people. Don't hang out with the energy vampires when you're taking the hits in the chest.
Amen to that. We talk about that a lot, and I think people don't realize it. I mean, I just want to drum it into everybody's head. If you're surrounding yourself with people who are negative and not supportive of you, it has a tremendous impact on your psyche, on your health, on everything that's going on in your life. And it's scientific, right?
Yeah, it's called psychoneuroimmunology. It's called social neurobiology. Basically, if you hang out with assholes, they're going to make you sick. I'm just saying, right?
I like that.
There's something called the DRD4 gene. Some people have a low DRD4 gene, and they don't elevate dopamine levels, so they look for alcohol or opiates, or they gravitate towards very exciting things. I have a low DRD4 gene, so obviously I'm involved in being a paramedic, responding to emergency calls, going on SWAT team in my early 20s. I can't sit still. I can't deal with dead air, and it took me years to get all this under control. I'm by no means perfect. I've just been beat up a lot. I've been in front of thousands of patients, and I sort of see things before somebody that's just compartmentalizing one area. I spend a lot of time on the Russ Scala YouTube channel. You can go there. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Look at all the videos, get educated, share this information with your family member. I've been in medicine 40 years, and still it drives me crazy that people are not getting information. So empower yourself with the knowledge to take care of you and your family members, okay?